It's double-header day. The Rawalpindi Raiders take on Gujranwala Giants. And the Raiders are in playoff mode with Hassan Ezekiel showing good form.
Huge. It's half a dozen out of here.
With Habiballah by his side and backed up by a good bowling display against the Hunters, with Afnan Khan claiming the first hat-trick of the PJL.
That might be his hat-trick, yes. First hat-trick of the Pakistan Junior League.
The Giants have failed to ignite the competition with a dismal batting performance from their last outing.
He's gone. It's a googly.
But can they revive themselves and claim a first win? Or will the Raiders prevail yet again?